Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this Bible study kit from the brand Party Galore. If you are looking for a beginner kit to get started with Bible journaling, this is the one you're going to want. So let's take a look and see everything that's inside. So we have a journaling notebook, just some lined pages. Look how pretty that is. We have a pencil bag to hold all of your pens, your markers. It's actually got quite a bit of space, but look how beautiful. This entire collection is just so beautiful. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12 different highlighters. You have 5, how beautiful these pens are right here. 5 pens. We have some washi tape. Look at the colors on these. You can see these right here. How pretty is that? This entire collection is just so gorgeous. We have some brass paper clips so you can hold some pages. You have a black pen. Let's see, we have some colored pens here for writing inside your Bible. You have several stickers here. As you can see, all of these different Bible verse and Bible themed stickers. And you cannot have Bible journaling without Post-it and tabs, different colors. So you have the squares, you have some that are a little smaller. So a pretty good collection of sticky papers. And then look at these beautiful Bible tabs. Absolutely gorgeous. So overall, I think this kit is wonderful. It's a really great starter kit for anyone who's getting started with Bible journaling, or it would make a wonderful holiday gift. I know I would love to have new journaling supplies, but if you have a friend or someone from church or doing a gift exchange with your Bible study group, this would definitely be a great option.